How to enable voice access on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to launch Settings app on your device. From the section, scroll to the bottom of the screen and select Additional Settings. Now tap Accessibility option. Go ahead and tap on General section, and here you will see the More section at bottom of the screen. Simply you need to tap on Voice Access, and once you are on this page, you simply need to toggle the button on for voice access. Now tap Allow button to allow voice access to have full control of your device. It can read all content on the screen and display content over other apps. As well, it will track your interactions with an app or a hardware sensor and interact with apps on your behalf. After that, you can create a shortcut as well. Toggle the button on. And now, you will land on the section where you have to set up voice access. Toggle the button for agree, and after that, tap agree button again. Now tap Allow and grant permissions. To activate voice access, you can easily tap on Down button. Now checkmark body option after you have read, and after that tap on Continue. But before that, make sure that you download the language to use on voice access. Because voice access needs to download a language update, and once it is downloaded, voice access will be able to hear your commands even your device is not connected to the internet. Then later you can easily use voice access on Samsung Galaxy or Android devices. So that is how we enable voice access on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.